Sanibona guys. So here we are doing Maths N6 question 3 for equation paper at 2025 November. So question ile part le yama partial fraction. So question 3.1 it was saying the integral of 3x squared plus more not plus minus 5x plus 2 all over x plus 2 all to the power of cubed. So since you know ukuthi ku-partial fraction you look kuphi, you first you judge by ini i-denominator ukuthi what you should do. So in this case we have ama-linear functions. So which means masingabe we have ama-linear functions, if we have something like x plus a to the power of n, you know ukuthi we have something like a all over x plus a to the power of n plus b into x plus a to the power of n minus 1, like something like this, but it's in a decreasing function, which means lapho le into esizoyenza ile engikhuluma ngayo manje, le nto le engizobe ngiyenza lapha, which means in this case this integral must be equals to a all over x plus 2 to the power of 3 plus b to the power of x plus 2 to the power of 2 plus c into 2 plus 3. So if the power if the power end up to the highest power of 1, which means igcina lapho. So awusaqhubekile to the power of 0 negative I, there's no need, ugcina khona lapho. So which means into esizoyenza la cross multiply. I mean not to cross multiply, is to multiply both sides by in the denominator of this of the left hand side, which means so sizosala ngobani ngapha, sizosala ngo 3x squared minus 5x plus 2, it is equals to, so in this part a multiply by this, which means le izokhansela leya, which means you will left by ubani a pair, bese b this multiply by this, which means this thing it will cancel this thing twice, which means we will be left with ubani x plus 2, bese ke plus c, which means le izokhansela le once, which means we will have ubani x plus 2 all squared. So if you have something like this, which means sizahamba kahle. So mawuqeda la, you look ukuthi you have linear, take advantage of linear, don't just distribute nani ujahele ukudistribute nani, take advantage of linear. So we have linear lapha, which is sothini, let x plus 2 it is equals to 0, then we say ukuthi 2 it is equals to negative 2. So kanjalo ke kanjalo sizoba nani, which means we have to substitute. So substitution ayibalekanga ku script sakho, into ozoyenza ku calculator. So when you just say ukuthi minus 2 squared minus 5 minus 2 plus 2, then you get ubani, you get 24. So since 24 akulo uzomfaka kuphi lapha, so you will have ubani 24 it is equals to bheka ke a, because it doesn't have any value of x. So in this case mawufaka negative 2 lapha, if you faka negative 2 plus 2 it end up to ubani 0, even if you faka ubani x negative 2 lapha plus 2 to the power squared, is end up ubani 0, which means here sizoba no 0 plus 0, which means your a, the value of a it is equals to 24. It is equals to 24, which means le kuzoba ubani i-value of a. So since we don't have any ayikho enye ilini, which means bese kukhani ke sowenzani, sowenza lento yama coefficient, so squared minus 5x plus 2, then manje into esizoyenza ukuthini, ukuthi si-simplify, ukuthi si-distribute lapha. What I meant ukuthi si-distribute, which means mina, according to mina, to make things simpler and save time, I just do like this, x plus 2. I just simplify lazy ezine square cube yabo, into ezina kanjalo. So which means you will have c, ubani c x squared plus 4x plus 4. Bese ke mangiqeda la le ngiqedile simplify more because I want to just ukuthi ngibone ukuthi yiphi part eno x squared yiphi part than ukuthi ngiloku ngitracker nga one by one. I will just look here ukuthi ubani la kuno x khona, kuphi la kuno x squared, kuphi la kuno constant khona, and just combine with ubani this a and b. So in this case the coefficient of x squared izosinika bani? So the coefficient of x squared ubani? U3. It is equals to, so yiphi la you track ukuthi yiphi enjani eno x squared. So eno x squared, so la ubani? U-c, which means the value of c it is u3. I hope sathulana. So sifuna bani manje? I-coefficient of u-x. So the coefficient of u-x we have ubani? U-5. Ungakhohlwa i-sign, ibalulekile nayo. U-5. So masibheka lapha which one eno coefficient of x? U-b it is there. U-b it is there, but the coefficient of lona is 1, which means we have u-b laphayana kanjalo, plus u-c, even u-c we have ilona coefficient of, we have a coefficient of x, which means we have inobani lapha sino 4, which means here sino 4c. We are done with a step less here. So mawuqhubekela la, then you simplify. Remember ukuthi the value of c ubani? The value of c ubani? It is u3, which means it is equals to, oh sorry, so I think lapha bekubele kube u-a lapha. No, right. So in this case the value of c ubani? The value of c it is oh, so besifuna u-b la, so 4 into u3, then the value of minus u12. Remember ukuthi u4 times 3 it is equals to u12. Then masi transpose ngale izosinika bani? -12, which means here we have u-b here, then the value of u-b it is -17. Then we are done. If you found ilona, there's no need ukuthi uzubuye uzofuna ini i-coefficient here. So in this case we just go straight to this thing futhi we say bhala kanje sithi x squared minus, not plus, minus plus u2 all over x plus 2 to the power of 3 is equals to the integral of a, it was 24, x plus 2 cubed, plus the integral of -17, because our b it is -17 all over x plus u3 squared, plus the integral of u3 because our c was 3, then x plus u2. Then after writing this statement, there's a statement, you just see what, therefore there's a statement, which means you will have equals to u24. Remember we take out the layer constant layer, then we bring this thing, we bring the denominator to the numerator into the product, because we have the power. We cannot say what it is lean something, but you just say what x plus u2 to the power of -3 minus u17, loya 17 loya minus u17 into the integral of x plus u2 into -2 into -2 plus, but because this the highest power yakhona, the power of the exponent, the whole thing uzoba ubani? The whole thing layapha u1, which means singayiyeka inje because this thing mawu integrate results in what? Into ulim, which means siyeka kanje plus u2 kanje. Then mawuqhubeka here uzoma integrate here, you'll say 24 multiplied by x plus 2 to the power of -2. Remember senzeni x plus 2 into -3 plus u1 all over -3 plus u1. So in this case we'll have -2 even here. So which means here sino -17 multiplied by x plus u2 to the power of -1. We are doing the same thing. Let's say we say we have -1 even here, plus u3 into ulin x plus 2 plus c. Remember here which this is integrate. Then after that here it's either you simplify or not, but it's fine. Basically here you will have end up in having -12 x plus 2 to the power of negative 2 plus because of this negative 1 plus 17 into x plus 2 to the power of negative 1 plus 3 ln x plus 2 plus c. Then you are done kanji. So I think correct masisenje bese u 3.2 u 3.2 this one yabona yaka 3.2 this one is tricky when it comes to the integration part le masiwatholile wonke ama values wakho. So in this part bebano x squared plus 7x plus 1 x cubed plus 2x. So in this part mawubheka la in this part le akusiyi long division. I-long division is only for ini, it's only for improper fraction. Improper fraction ukuthi the denominator it is greater than in numerator. It is greater than in numerator. This is in improper fraction. Amanye amagama ngichaza ukuthi the examples must be 3/2. This is improper fraction, which means in this part the highest power kumele kube ubani u3 ngapha kube u2. That's when we are going to ukuthi wenze in improper fraction. But in this case we have a proper fraction, which means in the denominator bekumele siyenzeni, bekumele si factorize, which means you have x squared plus 7x plus 1 all over x. So we have a common factor here x, which means we have 3, no, not 3, it's squared because we take out the common factor plus 2 into ena kanje. Then kanje wehla nayo uzothini x squared plus 7x plus 1 all over x into x squared plus 2. So in this case we're having in a linear which our denominator here a all over kuzoba x, it must the numerator which ilona kuzoba ubani x all over a constant yethu, which means kuzoba ubani a in this case. Bese for quadratic if we have x squared plus a, which means we have to have ubani linear lapha, linear, which means in this case we'll have ubani bx plus. So in this case we are resulting in this thing. So then masisonentana kanje, then we do what? We do the same thing. We multiply both sides by in the denominator of the left hand side, which means in this case must multiply this part ngale part there will end up having ubani, we'll end up having so no x squared plus 7x plus 1, it is equals to a into le izokhansela leya, then we are having ubani x squared plus 2, then plus bx plus c. Then this will cancel this one. Basically we are left with ubani c x lapha, I mean x lapha. Then in this case, oh guys, what I mean about we multiply both sides, which means because like if you have bx plus 3, it is equals to a plus c all over 2. Because both sides we multiply by in denominator yangapha. So in this case this part will cancel this part, sibe no bx plus 3. This in this part sizoba no 2a plus 2c. Lento le engisuke ngiyimina lapha. If you have over 2 lapha and over 3, which means in this case you will have ubani, this will cancel that one, then we are left with a plus here since they are 2, which means let's say uzoba no 2 over 3 or into c. Into bengichaza lapha le part leya yonke leya. So in this case we do have in a linear, then we take advantage of in a linear. They will say let x it is equals to 0, because vele mawenza algebra uzoba no 0. Then we substitute here. Substitute lapha uzoba no 0, something like mangabu no x, I mean substitute, then which means you will have something 0 squared plus 7 into 0 plus 1. This results into 1 because this is 0 and this is 0, which means here we have 1. It is equals to A. A laphayana masifaka ulona. Let me erase this. A here. A masifaka u0 laphaya plus u2. We having ubani? U2A. Bese mangabe sifaka lapha ku-B, u-B masifaka u0 there plus u-C multiply by u0. The whole thing becomes u0 affected by ubani? Iloya 0 loya, which means here we are left with ubani? U2A, which means our value of A is equals to 1 over 2. I hope so to learn. Bese ke, since we don't have ilona quadratic again, since we don't have a linear again, which we have a quadratic, so we do what? We do coefficient. But before we do coefficient, we have to simplify everything here. So in this case, mina if I have a la, then we have x squared plus u2. I leave it like that just ukuthi ngizokhona ukwenza ngisheshe ngibone ukuthi x squared and the constant and the coefficient of x bangakuphi. So mangabe bakhona ku-A, bangabe bakhona ku-B na ku-C, kanjalo kanjalo. But in this case we having ubani? U-B and u-C. So in this part we have to senzeni simplify, which means we have to x lona bx squared plus cx. So we don't have to group anything about 2b, which means we senzani siyaqhubeka. So masiqhubeka laphayana sizofuna ini? I-coefficient of x squared. Sizofuna i-coefficient of x squared, which kuzoba ubani laphaya? The coefficient of x squared is equals to 1. So since u equals to 1, the coefficient of x, we have the coefficient of x squared laphaya nobani? A plus ubani? B. We don't take x squared, we just take the coefficient, then which is ubani? B in this case. So see, we have x paired. So in this case we have 1 over 2. Then this it is equals to 1 over 2 plus b. Then the value of b, 1 minus 1 over 2. This is iyafana nokuthi 1 minus half is equals to half, which means here sinobani? Sino 1 over 2. Ubhala kahle. Sino 1 over 2 as ivalue kwabani? Eyaka b. So masichubeka sizofuna ini manje? I-constant ithi lapha i-constant mina, no, not the constant. We have to find in the coefficient of x. Sorry about that. The coefficient of x, it was 1 or 7. Then which means here A we don't have any the value of x, the coefficient of x. Here B we don't have in the coefficient of we don't have in the coefficient of x. Here C we have a coefficient of x ubani? C. So since here mangabe ayikho engilona, which means the value of c ubani? U7. Then we go back with sithi x squared plus u7x plus 1 all over x into x squared plus 2. It is equals to the integral of we had ubani? A all over x. Then the value of a, which was 1 over 2 all over x dx. Don't forget to kufaka dx bakho, plus integral of bx plus c all over x squared plus 2, which means here we will having in 1 over 2 because the value of b was 1 over 2 x plus c. The value of c is what? It is 7 x squared plus 2. So again, let me put my dx now ngamkhohlwa. So again, inkinga iqala la, ayinkinga le phezulu ayikho la. Inkinga iqala la, iqala kule part leya. La wanga integrator correct, but inkinga iqala kuphi? Laphaya. So in this case we will end up having something like 1 over 2 because we're taking that 1 over 2 outside. Bese sizoba no 1 all over x dx plus. So in this part, into soyenza qala sibheke kuqala ukuthi if I differentiate this part, sizama ini EU method. If I differentiate this part, does it give me this aspect? So which means mangabe ngithi no x squared plus let me say ukuthi let u is equals to x squared plus 2. Then uma differentiate uzoba nobani no 2x. It does it give us this thing? No. If I give this thing, which means sizoyenzani? Sizoba nento kanje. We have the integral of 1 over 2 all over x squared plus 2, which means senzani sayi-expanda manje sayihlukanisa. It's because masenza lento le ayisenzeli lento esiyifunayo lapha phezulu. That's why siyihlukanisa. So we're having 7 all over x squared plus 2 dx. Even dx, even here dx. So masiqeda ukuyi-expanda uyabheka futhi this part mangi-differentiate, does it give me i-coefficient izokhona ukuthi ikhansele leya part le lapha phezulu? Yes, ane yes, because okay athi ngibeke kanje izokhona ukubonakala ukuthi why ngithi yes. Then 1 over x dx plus 1 over 2 because i-coefficient ka-x, then we have x all over x squared plus 2. Then if you let u to be uyu laphaya, this x loya x loya uzokhansela loya x, then we are left with 1. Then we do what EU method laphaya, which means we do what here. Then in this part we are having 7 in this part, then 1 all over x squared. Does it masenza EU method here, it applies here? Angeke cancel because sizoba no x. If we had the x ilona i-coefficient if we had what you call this thing, if we had i-constant singanayo loya x, which bezokhona apply. So we have x lo we have to get rid of ngendlela ehlukile. So ke in this part into esoyibheka ukuthi siyefuna ilona i-trig function ezoba suitable for this part. So we have arctan, we have arcsine, we have arccos x in this part. Okumele uwabheke ngayo in this part, into ekumele uzibheke ngayo ile ilama parts lawa yakuphela. Lawa amanye awaveli kakhulu, angisho ukuthi awaveli kakhulu, ku-rare ukuthi wathole. So in this part the suitable part okumele siyithole laphaya, okay, asibheke yaka-arctan f of x ithi the derivative of f of x all over the derivative, no, not the derivative, f of x all squared plus 1. Then arcsine ithi the derivative of x all over the square root of x minus 1 of x minus 1. Yeah, the square roots it's the square root of 1 minus f of x all squared laphaya. So yaka-sine na no not yaka-sine, yaka-cos says ukuthi f of x is just which is the inverse of this thing. You will have negative f prime of x all over x. Let me copula this thing. F prime of x into 1 minus 1, not 1 plus 1 minus f of x all squared under the square root laphaya. So in this part here, in this part we get in a suitable. So in this part we have mangasiyabheka, this thing can be similar to this, just which we have to get rid with sisibeke in this form. So ke sizoyenza kanjani in this form? Let me shift this thing ngiveze nje leya part leya yaka-tan. So a suitable for thina yakabani yaka-tan. We have to ukuthi this thing siyenze in what, in this part of f prime of x all over f of x squared all squared kanje plus 1. Kumele sithene in this thing. So in this part ke sinobani. So kumele senze indlela yokuthi sichintshe this part, sichintshe leya 2 simenze u-1. The only way ukuthi sichintshe leya 2 simenze u-1 ukuthi senzeni ukuthi sizo factor out u2 laphaya, then we are left with 1 over 2 x squared plus u1. Sifactor out u2 mase ngathi siyambuyisela lapha ezosinika ubani u1 laphayana, sizoba no-x ayi-1 bese sizoba no2 laphaya, then we are having ubani lapha phezulu u1 laphaya. Then we still have ubani, remember ukuthi we're having something like u7 into u1 over 2 ngamanye amagama, 1 over 2 multiplied by u1 all over 1 over 2 x squared plus u1. Into esinayo leya, like ngamanye amagama masichacha into esinayo, which means here we have ubani u7 over 2 into the integral of u1 all over 1 over 2 x squared plus u1. So siyabheka laphaya sesinayo u1 laphayana, siyabheka laphayana masibheka lapha sinayo x squared, sinayo coefficient of u1. So here we have ubani i-coefficient of 1 over 2, no longer ubani coefficient of u1. So laphayana we have f of x. The f of x must be, remember the f of x must be ubani ileya part leya yonke le. So remember to f of x leyana sisinayo, so f of x wethu lana komele sitshintshe lento le part leya yonke leya ka1 over 2 x squared into ipart yokuthi like iba u-f of x all squared, naleya coefficient leya ingene ngaphakathi ithi all squared, yabo. So in this part mawuthi uyabheka laphaya u1 mawungathi 1 all over u-root 2 all squared multiplied by u-x squared, kuphuma bani, this thing is result to u1 over 2, which means our part lapha kuzoba ubani u1 over 2 aku-root x into u-squared kanje, into ku-squared, which means le part le yonke le part leya ile kumele kumele sifake kuphi laphaya, which means manje we are ending having ubani, we are ending having integral of u7 over 2 into u1 all over 1 over 2 oku-root x plus u1. Iyahlangana manje, yabona manje iyahlangana, but bheka-ke manje, since remember mawubheka lento le lo u1 over 2 u1 over 2 u1 all over u-root 2 x mawumdifferentiate uzokunika bani u1 all over root 2, yayithola. So which means our numerator manje sekumele ube ubani u1 all over root 2. Sizomenza kanjani, yabo? Simple, bheka ukuthi simenza kanjani ke. So sizoyenzani, sizothi 1 all over 2 multiplied by u1 over root 2. No, not 1 all over root 2. Sizomultiply ngobani, ngo-root 2. Sizomultiply ngo-root 2. Why ngisenza lokho? Senza lokho because ngifuna ukuba nobani no 1 over 2 no, uzokunika ubani, uzokunika u7 over root 2 all over 2. Manginika u7 over root 2 all over 2, into ekumele ngiyenze manje, into ekumele ngiyenze, the only way ukuthi ngiyibuyisele ngapha emuva ukuthi ukuthi ibe u-root 2 over 2, kumele ngibe ubani, kube u-root 2 multiplied by 1 all over u-root 2, which means lo 1 all over root 2 lo yilo ngizomfaka kuphi laphaya, bese lo 7 root 2 all over 2 lo ngizomfaka kuphi laphaya, which means we are ending having up in into ena kanje, into ena kanje, we have ubani u-root 2 all over 2 all over 2, or u-root 2 u7 root 2 all over u2, when we having u1 over 2 all over u1 over root 2 x all squared plus u1. So which means laphayana kumele ube nani nento ena kanje laphaya. Le part le sesiqedile yonke, seyafana nobani, mawubheka laphayana sinayo u1 for ubani, u-f of x, sinayo u1 for u-f of x, sinaye ulona sinayo u-f of x, I mean sinayo u1 lowa laphayana, sinayo u1 all over root 2 x for ubani u-f of x, then mawudifferentiate lento leyo zokubika bani 1 over 2 leyani i-differential of u-f of x, then ke kusho ukuthini, iyasivumela, yabo. So le i-coefficient leya ngapha just besenzela ukuthi ikhona ukuthi ikhansele le part le ngapha. So ke bheka, so siya kuphi, siya straight to what besikubhala laphaya, siya straight to what besikubhala. So which means here sesinobani 1 all over 2 into 1 all over u-x dx plus remember ukuthi lana besenze ubani u-let u, so u-let u wethu which means results ukuthi kubani u-x all over u-u. Remember le part le ubani u-u multiply by u-du all over u-2x plus u-7. Remember le part le asiyidifferentiate-anga asenzanga nix, just ukuthi siyitshintshile sayenza i-right yona mayije lento is equals to this thing but manje siyenze inendlela ukuthi izokhona ukusikhiphela ubani u-arctan algebra. That is why ngithi le part le yiyo eba difficult for abantu abaningi abawatholi ama-full marks because of for leya part le yaka arctan, which means sizoba no-7 root 2 all over u2 into the integral of u1 all over root 2 all over u1 all over 2x squared plus u1 dx ile part leya lesifake lapha. This thing it is equals to this thing but siyenze in an advanced form such that sizosikhiphela ubani u-arctan masi integrate. So mas integrate sesa-integrate mas integrate suthi soba nobani no-1 all over 2 ln x. This one uyawathola ama-marks wakhona bese kuba nobani no-1 over 2 ln u multiply by u1 over 2 lo 1 over 2 lo osuka phuma from here. Remember ukuthi sino 1 over 2 lapha. Remember ukuthi mangathi 1 over 2 then u-x loya will cancel multiply by u1 over 2 du all over x. This x will cancel that part layana, then we are left with 1 over 2, then we are having u1 over 4 into u1 over u. This is equals to u1 over 4 ln u. That is why ngifake loya 1 over 2 laphaya, just ukuthi ngihamba the way ngiyibona ngakhona mina leyo naleya. So we having ubani laphaya mas integrate less i-constant leya u1 over 2, then we are having u2 laphaya. So in this part here we are having ubani u-arctan into u1 all over u2 root 2 here nala root 2 u1 all over u-x kanje plus u-c. So yileya part leya ekumele siyiface leya. So kumele ube nobani no-7 root 2 all over 2 arctan 1 over 2. Remember this is f of x and remember sinobani laphana sino f of x lapha. Naku formula sheet yakho ibhalwe kanje. Naku formula sheet yakho ungayiphambanisi. This is f of x into kumele ube nayo leya. So which means mase simplify ibukeke kahle sizoba no ln x plus u1 over 4 ln u wethu bani u-x squared plus u2 plus u7 root 2 all over 2 arctan into 1 all over root 2x plus u-c. Then into okumele uyibhekane nayo ileya part leya. Yiyo inkinga ilaphaya. Inkinga ilaphaya. I will try and make a video for ukuthi siwa expanda kanjani this part to this part, just ukuthi when you have to make it ibe equal, then you will make things to be easier for wena. Asibonge, ungakhohlwa ukusubscribe lapho, ushayelele nabangani bakho, uphinde ulike futhi mangabe ukuthandile lokho okubonile. Asibonge.